So here we have an example of a squat. This first one, you can see there's a lot of movement in the knees, which is not good. You can also see the angle at the bottom is much too high. Does not get nearly low enough. And then he also slightly hunches his back here. It's not like straight like we want to see. Here is a good example of what a squat should look like. Goes down, sticks his butt out, keeps his back nice and straight, no movement in the knees. Here, very good. No wobbling of the knees, and then we have a good angle there at the bottom. So that is an example of a proper squat.